Sir, all stations report ready.
Attention, all nations of the Earth Defense Forces. This is your Supreme Commander, General Robinson speaking. We have confirmed that a large alien force has entered the Earth's atmosphere. All international sectors must immediately implement all defense protocols. May God save us all.
Ginagawa na po ng buong mundo ang lahat to defend our planet. But we are no match to these invaders, sir. Also, we are receiving a report. Nakakalat na raw po ang mga aliens all around the globe. Sir, there's fear and chaos everywhere. I'm afraid that these aliens might succeed in invading us kapag hindi pa natin ito napigilan.
Wala na tayong pag-asa kung hindi ang last line of defense natin. Ang Voltes 5.
Return to base.
Roger that.
Lil John Armstrong, return to base.
Roger.
Big Bird Armstrong, return to base. Lord Gordon, return to base. Steve Armstrong, return to base.
On the way.
Ma, ano ho ba talaga nangyayari? Bakit ho nag-aalam yung buong camp?
Baka naman on a need-to-know basis na naman to, ah.
At least ako kasi, wala akong nanay na nag-work dito sa camp. Wala na kasi akong nanay. But them, they're your family. The least you could do is tell them what all this training is for.
I guess there's no more reason for me to keep the truth from all of you. Observe. The world is under attack by an alien menace. And you will save the world, our world.
Aliens? Tama ba narinig ko? Aliens?
So, totoo po yung sinabi niyo sa amin dati, Dr. Smith.
Akala ko nga rin, no? Joke-joke lang yun eh.
Sasagipin namin yung buong mundo from these aliens.
So, ibig pong sabihin we're in the middle of an interplanetary war?
Ma, totoo po talaga to.
Yes, Steve. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit sinanay kayo. Kaya rin may Voltes robot kaming ginawa. Dahil matagal na naming alam na dadating ang mga alien invaders na to.
So you better scoot up. Nakahanda na ang mga vault machines para sa inyo. Go. Now. The aliens have arrived. They're vicious and heartless. They have caused major destruction all over the globe. You must defeat and destroy them. Nadadaig na ang lahat ng military forces ng buong mundo. Voltes team, you are the last line of defense. Sasakupin nila ang buong mundo kapag nangyari yun. And this will be the end of humankind. Hindi pwede mangyari ito. Gawin niyo lahat to save our planet.